And we have a new update tonight to a Fox 17 investigation into the death of an Allegan County man who told Fox 17 before he died that his grandsons beat and abused him.
Today, one of those grandsons was sentenced to decades in prison, possibly the rest of his life. Our Julie Dunmeyer first uncovered this case and has the recap from court.
I saw firsthand the condition of William Fitzhugh's home in Pullman, Michigan. It was filthy. Feces mounting in the bathroom. The septic hadn't worked in years. But William's son says how he was treated was even worse. Today, one of the men accused of abusing the 82-year-old was sentenced to 60 to 100 years in prison.
I can't even begin to imagine what you put these people through.
This is what William Fitzhugh looked like in October 2021. He died just months later. The medical examiner's office ruling William's death a homicide, citing, quote, complications of multiple injuries, malnourishment, and neglect. An Allegan County judge on Friday calling it a textbook case of elder abuse.
As odd as it may sound, it would have been more humane if you just shot him dead. But you didn't do that. You went through years, times of abuse that were abhorrent.
26-year-old Cory Nethery, William's grandson, is one of the people accused of beating and abusing him while living under his roof. The judge calling the details of this case unbearable.
Repeated assaults, repeated broken bones, threats, financial loss, loss of dignity, lying in his own excrement when he was found, malnourishment. It's hard to take in just to read it. I can't even imagine what it was like to experience it.
Nethery, according to the court, previously pleaded guilty to second-degree murder, first-degree vulnerable adult abuse, and witness intimidation. During Friday's hearing, Nethery's attorney asked for the lower end of the sentencing guidelines, citing meth addiction as the root cause of his actions. The judge didn't buy it.
I do not know how it's possible to negate a pattern of behavior that this defendant exhibited over a significant period of time, to attribute that to a poor childhood perhaps, or an addiction. His behavior it's unspeakable.
Instead, Nethery was sentenced to 60 to 100 years in prison, above the sentencing guidelines, a small taste of justice for William's son, Stephen, after nearly 2 years of waiting.
God today served what he got coming for him, and it took this long, and I think without Julia getting involved, this would have got brushed under the table. And
Steve calling his father's death a systemic failure, saying years of abuse was reported to law enforcement and adult protective services repeatedly, but nothing was done.
That's the point I want to address with all this, because it's going to happen again. It's going to happen again unless people get changed.
This story, though, still isn't over. The criminal case against the other grandson accused, Christopher Fitzhugh, is still working its way through the court system. Reporting in the studio, Julie Dunmeyer, Fox 17 News.